Acquire some data, all right, and pay attention to the way this balloon sounds. Okay? You guys remember what it sounded like out there?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to do it in here. You ready? Amazing how much of your everyday acoustic experience is really all about reflections of sound and not coming directly from the source.
Makes me feel sick.
It actually can kind of throw your equilibrium off a little bit until you get used to it.
I want my room like that.
And your brain processes these reflections. It uses that information. You know if somebody's jumping up, is walking up behind you. You know if you're right near a wall or something like that. Okay.